Plotly is, you can say, more improvised in terms of animation. Once you put your cursor on a chart, you'll able to get. Let me open this. I'll make the charts. See, if you put your cursor there, you'll be getting this some values, which is currently not there on any of your chart. So it adding me a JavaScript functionality, which is allowing you to take your mouse operations, on which location your mouse is available. So let me try. Okay, let's start with the, if you are not having, you can install it, pip install plotly. What is there? You can go ahead. When import, in plotly, we are having two options, one object and expressions. We'll see the things one by one. Depending on my requirement, I can take a call. Okay, the data set I'm having with me is data frame only. Okay, let me take small case data frame. This data frame, I can refer it. Okay, import data frame df. Let me get the ID of data. So sales, quantity, discount, and shipping cost. Okay. I'll import plotly. First is graph object, which we'll be using, then we are in expressions. So we'll be using both the sub packages. Objects, as you can name anything, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Let me take, in standard box, it's referred as a Go graph object. Next, we are having go.figure. Same like PLT, we are having PLT.show and all. So same, we are having go.figure. Under figure, we have to refer the data, then go.chart name. It can be bar, it can be line, it can be any other charts. So currently I go for bar. Here we need to make sure that we are having values in capital, initial value in capital. Bar. I say my X value is, let me put as some junk values. Then F should be in capital again. There are so many things there which we have to take care. I'll check whether you syntaxically okay or not. If it is okay, it'll plot your chart. We recommend you should go for show. Again, for clearing a canvas, you are indicating your Python that that's end of my chart. I should not wait for other transitions. Or in most of the books, you will see value like this, FG. Both are same. So let me replace my values again. So let me copy this data and I replace my values from my data frame. X is what? I'll say X is my data frame. I'll say order ID. Then Y, I'm saying it's my sales. Now put your cursor there. You're getting value. O, X is what? 34. Y is what? 2,526 rupees. Depending on text, you can take a call. Again, it is just pertaining to your requirement whether you want to take this advantage of this tooltip or not. If you're okay with your data which you are currently getting, there's no requirement of going for plotly, because plotly is more resource intensive. It will take more resource as compared to your normal charts. If you are getting same result with your existing matplot or cbot, you should stick there only until unless your customer is very specific. I need to have this feeling of putting my cursor there. Same like Google Charts we are having. So you can take a call if you want to go for making your values comparatively. Fine. Let's go for the other chart. I'll go for 2, 3 charts only. So rest you can explore. There's more than 200 charts are there in all 3 packages, Matplot, Seaborn, and Plotly. So for making scatter chart, we need to input expressions. As you can name it px, whatever you want. Under this, we are having scatter. Again, I can give any values. Then put x and y. By default, first argument is data frame. Second argument is value, whatever you want. I say let it be data underscore frame df. X is what I say profit. Y is what I say sales. See. And you are getting this one toolbar here. Zoom, pen, box selections, ISO select. So many things are there which you can have a try. It look like similar you are having in your Tableau and other similar softwares. And this style is default. You can go for the style change if needed. Otherwise, let's go for the same. Let me copy the chart again. I'll do some small change here. Okay, same like Seaborn, we do have one property there, color. I'll say let it be segment. It'll give me a separation of segment-wise data. Again, there we are having S. For S, we are writing a pretty long line of statement. Here we are having size. I'll say let it be size based on sales. Make sure the size parameter should be a positive one. I should not go for negative values here in size, because if you go for negative values, it may prompt you error. Let me take a profit. So profit is, in my case, a few of the values are negative. So in that case, it show me error. Let me read the error. It help me to take the call. See, invalid values are there, which is difficult to plot on the chart in case of size. So it is recommended to have a value which is positive in nature. You can take a sales, discount, quantity, and all. Depending on your case, you can take out. So currently we are getting what we are getting segment profit and sales. Okay. So can I add a few more things there? Let me see. What is the value I can show? Let me take category. No. So it not be there. It should be from your data. I should not go for customizing it. Fine. So depending on case, same line chart is there. If you want to go for line chart, so let me go for line. PLT, sorry, PLT. PX is again from expression, line. Then depending on case, what data value you are having, same X and Y. Data frame, I'll take DF. X, I'll take order ID. Y, I'll take sales figure. See. Similarly, depending on case, you can take a call whether you want to go for this. You put your cursor, it will show you the values. That's a normal case. This inbuilt property, you need not to write any additional course code for showing me this tooltip and all. Data would be there, and you can take a call based on a case. Again, I'll say if I'll do something like this, what I can do in this. Let me see if I can figure it out on segment wise. See, the segment wise color is there. If data is there, you can take a call. If it is not there, should not go for. You have to just check your data, then you take a call whether it is pertaining to same data or not. Next, we can have some other case like we can get data from other sources. You can try getting data from SQL file, and you can make your list. After that, you can plan what sort of data you want to plot. So file handling we had seen already, and after that, we, if needed, we can get data from somewhere else locations. Location would be Excel, CSV, TXT, or even from database also you can get your data. And once you get your data in data frame or in a list, it is very easy to go case as it is without compromising your existing data part. So if you are okay with your data source, you can plot anything which is available. Let me take a few more cases there. I'm not getting any such data which I can help to plot the things. I can group on the technology segment, phone, sales, and other things. Okay, fine. So let me have one case where I want to show two bars parallel. Same like we did in matplot. We can have a multiple charts in the same canvas. Same feature is there, which we can go for. So bar is my part of my object, graph objects. So I'll go for first. I'll make instance of my figure. Named it anything, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Then we there we are in subplots and all. Here we are in option of add trace. Then you go with your code, whatever code you want to write. I'll say go bar. I'll say X is what, X is my order DF. I'm not going for data frame. I'm writing it manually. ID, and Y I'm saying it's a sales. And I'm not putting colors here. I'll be changing color later on. I'm getting 2. Second line, I'm second bar, I'm saying it will be from profit. Last I'd say show. Q1 only. Okay. Trace 1 is some mistake is there. What? Figure add trace marker. Profit, order ID versus profit, and acha, sorry, we are not written this DF here. My bad. See, so we are getting a profit and sales. So to remove this trace 1, trace 2, we can give names. Names is similar like labels. I say this is my sales data. This is my profit data. And if you want to control colors, there also we do have option. We call it marker color here. I'll say sales in green or profit in blue. Depending on your case, you can take figure size and all you can increase as you